Are you tired of seeing those little anomalies like moles, pimples, or even bruises on your skin, and no skin routine has worked on you so far? Don't worry, very few people know how to get rid of them. But there's one ingredient that can help you with it: the apple cider vinegar. ACV is very good for the skin thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also regulates the pH levels of the skin, tightens the pores, and improves blood circulation. Let's see how to prepare it. Attention! To treat acne and age spots, you have to prepare a mixture with ginger, honey, and a jet of ACV. When we have already made the mixture, we will apply it on the skin and let it act for 20 minutes. Then, wash it away. You will be able to see the first results after having applied it for a week. For bruises and mosquito bites, simply soak a cotton ball with ACV and apply it on the damaged area. It will not take long to see results. For moles, mix equal amounts of ACV, aloe vera gel, and castor oil. Apply it to moles and let it act overnight. You will see results after 1 or 2 weeks. For blackheads, you will have to follow this process. First, steam your face for about 5 or 10 minutes so you will open your pores. Then you will have to make a mixture with ACV and Fuller's Earth. Apply the mixture on your nose and let it act for 15 or 20 minutes until it dries, and then wash it away. Last step, ice your nose right away to close the pores. I hope this was helpful and that you can get rid of those annoying little anomalies of the skin.